In my thoughts, there is a film, one that I have never watched, maybe I never will. I find myself staring at the stars at night, searching for happiness on a black screen. The clouds change color several times a day. At one moment they cry, in another the sun smiles. Maybe that's just how the weather works, but still, why do I feel this way? I hear the birds chirping in the morning. They remind me of a sound that I desperately miss. If only I had wings like them, maybe I could fly far away. And my heart takes flight, free in the wind. I chase it like a cat chases a butterfly. Heart, where do you wander when I need you here? Wandering Heart was born on one of those quiet nights when my thoughts and emotions wouldn't let me sleep. It wasn't until I poured everything out onto paper that I finally felt some peace. The poem speaks of a soft, silent longing, a yearning for something or someone distant, someone you can have, yet your heart keeps wandering towards them. It's that feeling of wishing you were somewhere else, somewhere where life feels a little easier, a little more beautiful.